Wait, I will see. Wait. There we go. Now we have to find books. And there's a sixth book. It's not a melee. It's a new one. And I really banned for the time. You know, the ending, they have a book on the house. Black. They didn't even put like this. So that's why. And this will take long. Here we go. This is the book. It's not this. There's a sixth book. 5. And there's a black book. And something home. I know you're behind. Oh my gosh, I almost clicked the X. Wait, there's a second building? Wait, where is it? I thought that's one. Hold up. This is the second building. What the? Oh my gosh.
Sa main? May bagong friend. Kaya mo siya sa main din siya nagsusundo. Layo kasi. Nakailangan ko dito. Nakasaya naman ako.
Ito yung madumi yan. Hindi ko yun eh.
Hindi mo na. Sana sa taas yan sa bulon na yan.
Oh my gosh.
Pati yan.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
Ano ba sa loob ng bahay niyo? Ha? Ayun, okay naman malapit sa ano, andun yung ano? Yung mga kapatid mo? Yan ang ulo. Justin, no? Dapat ito ginagawa mo eh. Tigilan mo kaya yan. Ito ka. Ito, tulungan mo si...
Anyways. So it's morning. We have to put fairy tea. Yeah. Oh my gosh, we got a good ending! Subscribe!